to another SMC tutorial video. So in our previous video, we checked out the on-chain activity for a wallet address, and we saw that the score was 58 of 100. That is the on-chain score. Okay, so we also talked about the fact that it had 45 transactions on Ethereum and Base, and it has been active for 16 unique days. Longest streak is 2, that is consecutively using. Current streak is 2. Activity period 310 days, that's about 7 months. So the wallet was created about 7 months ago, so it's really new wallet. And then token swaps performed 7. So we said in our previous video that we'll show you how to do all of these interactions, these activities, so that your score would come up. So we're going to be checking out the wallet activity on-chain analysis for a different wallet, a completely new wallet, that is wallet that hasn't even been used on the Bsc Chain at all. And we're going to use that wallet to then tick off all of these criteria, right? So we're going to start from token swap, bridge transaction, lend, borrow, stake transaction, ENS contract interaction, smart contract deployment. We'll be showing you how to do all of this. So let's get right into the video. And first off, let's get the new wallet. So our wallet is funded, our new wallet is funded with some Ethereum on Bsc Chain, right? And how can you do this? All you need to do is just head over to centralized exchange like MEXC, Git.io, KuCoin, send funds from that centralized exchange, that is Ethereum on Base. Ensure to select the network Bsc Chain and then send it into your wallet. It could be your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet or Rabi wallet. Alright, so once you've done that, you should have the tokens reflect in your wallet. And then in order to kickstart your on-chain activity, what you need to do is to first make a transfer. You need to send out tokens from your wallet to another wallet. That's a transaction on chain. So that's the only way you can activate your wallet. And I already did this, so I'm going to show you what I mean. So let me show you what I mean. So if we head back to our on-chain score, first of all, let me copy this address. Like I said, I already sent out a token, but I'll still show you how to do that. If you submit, you see that the same address that we checked that had no activity on it now has one transaction, active for 1 unique days, longest streak 1 day, current streak 1 day, activity period 1 day, token swap from 0, bridge 0, and the rest 0. So what this means is that I sent funds, like as I received the ETH from the centralized exchange, I then sent out like a couple of cents worth of ETH to another wallet. So let's just do the demonstration so you understand what I mean. All right, so let's head back to the Rabi wallet. Right, so let's get another address. Let me use this address for instance. I'll copy this one, another address, then head back to our wallet we used for demonstration. Tap on send, and then you paste the address that you want to send to. Compute the figure. Let me see, you want to send 0.0001 or 01. You can just send any figure. It can be the least figure that you could possibly think of, and then you send. Right, okay, so let's confirm this transaction. Okay, so transaction created. Alright, so now that transaction has been created, let's check the on-chain score for that same wallet again. Okay, let's see. Let's copy this address and head back to that site and enter manually and check again. Okay, so now you can see that the score still remains the same. However, the transaction is no longer 1 but 2. So the reason why we had 8 initially was because we kickstarted the transfer on that wallet already, and that one transaction gave the score of 8 over 100. But if you continuously do more and more transactions, probably maybe from a certain number to a certain number will give you 8. If you do from a certain number to another certain number, it will increase by a particular figure. Not sure, but we're going to walk you through on how to do other activities like token swap to see how this 8 moves to probably 10 or 12 or 20 as the case may be. So ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell to know when the next video would drop. Also, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do ensure to support our channel by buying an educational token WikiCat built on the Bsc Chain. The contract address will be in the description beneath. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.